Hey, Craftinistas, welcome back to my channel, and we have another opportunity to craft and create something beautiful. So today, Facebook rolled out the option for you to schedule your posts directly from Facebook to Instagram. I always knew that this feature was going to come, especially once Facebook acquired Instagram. I always expected for them to make it much easier for us to interact between the two platforms. And so today, they rolled out the option for us to use the Facebook Content Studio in order to schedule posts directly to Instagram. So now all you have to do is open up your Content Studio from your Facebook business page, and then you'll follow along on the screen like what I'm doing here. And so all you do is once you go through your content library, you'll select which Instagram account you want to use, and then you'll go through the steps to make sure that you're completing whatever requirements they have for the content. And essentially all I'm going to do today is show you how to upload a photo, add a caption, and use your hashtags. And so what I'm doing now is I'm just going to find the photo. I'm working on a blog post about how you can increase and not increase, but how you can improve your product photos. I have a t-shirt company called Buy Geeks with Love, and I try to be as innovative as possible with the way that I'm displaying my t-shirts, especially for social media. So I think that this is going to be a great feature. So what I'm doing now, I'm just going to find the photo that I'm looking for, which is this shirt that I took a picture of against a backdrop of Ankara fabric. I just took like half a yard of fabric and I put this shirt on top of it, and it was a huge hit when I posted it to my Instagram. So I thought I wanted to share some different tips for that. So I'm going to write a blog post about different ways that you can take better photos of your products, more specifically t-shirts. So I'm going to post this blog on my website at rakisha.com. But in the meantime, part of promoting my blog is I promote it on social media. I currently use Planoly. I have their solo plan, the $9 plan. But I think that if this works out for me where I can schedule from Facebook and Instagram, then I'm going to use this. I used to use Hootsuite, but for some reason my posts stopped posting, and I'm of the mind that if something doesn't work, I'm not going to keep paying for it. So I was using Planoly and just Facebook, but now if I can eliminate that extra Planoly bill, then I can use that $9 a month for craft supplies. So right now I'm just writing out my caption, just letting people know that the blog post is coming. And then of course I'm going to add my hashtags. If you need help with choosing hashtags for your social media posts, you can get a copy of my ebook called Hashtag Reach on my website at rakisha.com, and it's like over 400 different hashtags based on your industry that you can use to increase the reach of your social media posts. So right now I'm just typing out the hashtags, and it's really simple, really straightforward. I love the way that Facebook is making everything more user friendly. Even if you are a novice social media user, you can still take advantage of this feature. So you'll type out your content, and then towards the bottom right of the screen you can see where you have the option to publish it right away or to schedule it. If you've ever taken any kind of a class with me, you know how big I am on scheduling. It really helps to ease my anxiety. And so now you can go back to your content library and make sure that it's there. This is my content library for Instagram right now. As you can see, I haven't posted in a while just because my Hootsuite had stopped working, so I was testing out Planoly. But you can go to your post, and then you'll see here where the post is showing that it's scheduled along with the time that it's scheduled. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if you like this video and you'd like to see more from me, you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also find me on social media, and you can subscribe to my blog at www.rakisha.com. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Remember, take some time and give yourself permission to craft and create something beautiful every day, even if it's just beautiful thoughts. Take care. thanks for tuning in today. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and you can find me on social media, including my Facebook craft group called Crafters Plus Creators, and my website at rakisha.com. Remember, you can give yourself permission to craft and create something beautiful, even if it just starts with thinking beautiful thoughts. Thanks for watching. Take care.